In this video, I will explain you which restaurant business to open right now during the coronavirus crisis. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Whenever you're watching this video, this is AB from the Restaurant Academy. Coronavirus crisis is everywhere in the world. The next big thing would be a ghost kitchen with a small twist. Food and sex will never go out of the fashion. Everyone is scared to start something new. But always remember that big things happen when the chips are down. To get the biscuit, you have to risk it a little bit. In this video, I will explain you the next big thing, that is the ghost kitchen with a twist. Let's start.
In the 2008 recession, McDonald's was one of the rare restaurant business which was in profit. They even made more profit than in 2006 and 2007 combined. But why? Affordability, consistency, and fast delivery were the answers. The restaurant business didn't change its concept, and most of them went to doom. You need to make adjustment before it's too late. The food truck business also became famous in that period. Ghost Kitchen would be the perfect business to open at this time. It's a professional food preparation and cooking area structure for the preparation of food delivery meals only. It relies on home delivery orders placed by phone or website or third-party companies running in your country. They don't have any area for people to sit and eat. In simple words, the ghost kitchen structure is as follows. Order comes from the customer, staff gets the order on the system, the chef cooks the meal, chef packs the food, food package is delivered to the guest. The market situation during this coronavirus period is hammered. It has also shown some rays of light for new segments in this industry. People will try to improve their lifestyle after this crisis. We are going into Charles Darwin theory, which is survival of the fittest. Health cautious. People will take care of the health more seriously compared to the past. A diet of fresh food, vitamin C, and necessary minerals will increase intake. Hand sanitizer, gloves and masks will be used by people as an essential part of life. Scared to go out. People won't come out easily to eat for some period. This concept will be fruitful in this period. They will not try to touch anything. Touching the menu card would be a big no. If some restaurants are open soon, maybe you will see a few people in it and a little space between customers. Budget. Most of the countries are going towards depression and recession at the same time. The spending power of the people might take a toll here. You need to make sure that the food is affordable by most of the people. That is similar to the example I gave you of McDonald's from the 2008 recession period. Food delivery. A big fight is expected between the food delivery companies of every country. A lot of offers are given by delivering companies to restaurants. Use this offer to make a customer base for your company. The Restaurant Academy tips. Surviving the coronavirus storm will be crucial for you. Ghost kitchen might be the answer. Here are the few points which you can consider to sustain your initiative in the world of coronavirus. Hygienic. Trust is the hardest thing to cultivate in any business or relationship. How can you prove to the people it's hygienic and you have taken all the precautions? Can you install the camera in the food preparation area and make it live on some channel? People should be able to see your staff when they are working. They must be seen using gloves and taking all the necessary steps at the moment. For an extra mile, put the body temperature of the chef and delivery boy before they started the chef on the food boxes to show that they are in perfect health. Show the chef washing their hands before putting on the gloves and changing them also after a specific period of time. Small menu card. Don't take more than 5 items in this crisis. Your food costs would be in check all the time. It even makes ordering and customization easier. You can easily provide consistency of service and quality to every guest. This should help to achieve higher profit. You can do special weekend items. Maybe do a pool option 1 week prior to interact with your follower. It would help you to create a buzz of your company. Push membership. The ultimate goal of every business should be to convert one-time customer to permanent. You should always start with a third-party app business, but put your company pamphlet in the food bag and offer them an offer they can't refuse. Example, if you call them directly, you get a 10% discount to begin. When you have reached 10k members, you can even think of creating your own app. Always have certain targets before you want to go to the next level. This is one of the major downfall for a lot of business. A good business starts small and expand instead of other way around, unless you have a big company. Food order. For the first few months, you can even take food orders on social media. It can be something out of the box. Ask people to put their phone number as well. Most of the food orders will be done through third-party apps. Also, register your company every food delivery company portal and try to convert them into your regular system, just as I explained above. You can even do something extra by providing biodegradable cutleries. What do you need? Low-cost business investment is required compared to owning a restaurant. Most of the time, one-time investment is enough. Also, if you want to try something new, it has a low cost of experimentation. For example, an owner who owns a delivery kitchen and delivers South Indian food decides that he should start delivering North Indian food as well. You won't need to change everything upside down like in the restaurant business. Take the food order. You need a POS system for the kitchen. It's a way to complete orders for your place. You can even take orders through phone, social media, etc. As explained above, the system also provides an analytic report to you. You can see what people are ordering, which item is not popular, and what time and day people order the most, etc. Check systems here. Order process. Different orders will be coming. You need to check if an order has any particular demand or is customized. You have one person here. When your company becomes busy, you just to make sure the orders are taken accurately and people know what time they can expect them back. Staffing. You need 2 good chefs here. Please don't try to cut corners by hiring average staff. Taste is the king here. You don't require any waiter, reception, bartender, etc. You save here a lot of money on staff compared to the restaurant. Hire your own delivery boys only when you are well established in the market. My advice is for any owner to be with them for the first 3 months. You will be also learning a lot about the new business. Managing supply and inventory. It depends on the menu how much supply you need for your kitchen. Your chefs should be good at managing food costs. Try to make a standard food recipe for all the dishes as soon as possible. Menu engineering will help figure out on what items to remove from your menu. You can learn all of them free of cost on my website. Inventory is managed by the POS system and the chef should be able to take care of it. Promotion. Cloud kitchen requires different forms of promotion compared to the restaurant business. You can learn from my marketing book on the website. Thanks a lot for listening to our video.